Good. You
can just let her see what she's going to do. Hi, sweetie. How are you? Very nice. Good dog. So let's work on sit today.
Okay.
I know we went over about luring, having a piece of food in your hand and luring the dog to a sit. Very good. And also we have capturing, which means when your dog sits, you click and give a treat within 1 second. So let's see if we can have her stand. And then see if she sits by herself. And we'll click and give her a treat for that. You're a good girl. She's looking at the puffy picture of the clock.
I think she's looking at the clock.
You're a good girl. Yes, you are. Very good. Nice timing. Wonderful. So you would do that until she's 80% of the time that she's doing that behavior. Then you could add the cue sit to it. And then use your release word, which also helps in the stay. So let's get her up.
Hey, Sammy, up. All done.
Okay, and let's ask for a sit. And oh, she does it. It's pretty much her default behavior now because I know you've been working on it. So up, back, a couple feet, and then tell it up.
Hey, Sammy. Hey, Sammy. Up. Sit.
Good. Great. And then you would use your release word.
All done.
Good job.
Sit.
Great. She already sat, and here we can capture the behavior. So anytime that she does go to the ground, you would click as her butt almost touches or her front legs actually touch. So right now, if you want to lure her, you may, and see if she'll. Good. Very nice. Good job. Okay, good. Wonderful. Okay.
Up. Other.
Yeah,
Good girl.
all done is your release word.
Yeah.
Great, great. And some dogs by caption, it takes a little bit longer because it's usually when they're tired and you really have to be watching them. So luring forward down goes a lot faster.
Up.
Wonderful. So let's see, give it the cue because I know you've practiced this.
Down.
We give a cue, actually helps with the stay. And to start, we don't want any pressure on the leash. We're not going to jerk the dog if the dog moves, but we're going to start out in small increments. So move around and ask her to sit.
Sammy.
And move back over here.
Sammy.
Okay,
Good
and
girl.
ask her to sit. Good. And then I would stand in front. Okay. And you may say stay, you don't have to feed her several times. So
Stay.
Good. Stay. And then release her.
Other. 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 Come on. Good girl. Sit.
Okay, we'll move over here a little bit more.
Sit.
So once she's staying 20 seconds, 30 seconds in front of you, then we start adding in a distraction as far as moving. So I would do, as I move, I would click and then treat. So, Sammy, stay, click, and then treat. So as you're adding motion, click as you're adding motion and reward her for staying. Okay, try it.
Miss Sammy. Stay.
So I would click when you're doing the movement.
But
That's okay.
Stay.
So click as
As
you're doing the movement. Although she's doing very well. Okay, good, good. And then release her. Good job.
Other.
Good.
Good girl.
Okay, for loose leash walking, we want the reinforcement to be high. So at first, with every step, I would click and treat, click and treat, click and treat. If she starts pulling or going away, just stop, get her attention back on you, or if she does give you attention, to check in with you. Yay! And then bring her back. You can walk backwards. You can turn around and gently go. And once she gets up to your side, that's when you click and treat.
Listen.
So try going 1 or 2 steps. I know you've practiced this.
Listen.
You ready? So you don't want her pulling. So up the reinforcement. Good. Good. So keep your hand at your waist with some food in it, so you don't have to keep on going in your pocket right now. I want her to react to the click and then getting the treat. Okay. Good. Good. Very nice. Awesome work. Great. I know Sammy's pretty good about not jumping, but let's say she did. First of all, you don't want her to reach contact because that's rewarding in itself. So if she started to jump up at me, I'm just going to turn and walk away. Okay? Up, up. And I know you have that on cue.
Listen.
And then walk away, wait a few seconds, and then ask for a sit.
Sit.
Good
Good
work, and
girl.
reward the sit. So we want to reward the behavior that we want, and the jumping we don't pay attention to. We don't say no, stop, off. We withdraw our attention until she's doing a behavior like standing on 4 paws or offering a sit. Recall by first conditioning a word like come. Come. So you would repeat that. That's conditioned the word come. That something great is going to happen. So I would have extraordinary treats, or if she's toy motivated, to work with that. So right now I'm going to actually hold her, and this is called a restrained recall. Sammy, come here, sweetie. Good. Very nice.
That wasn't a hug.
I know. Okay. So call Sammy. Be excited. Sammy, come. Yes. And as soon as she starts coming, or she looks at you, is when you click, and then she'll follow through. It's coming to you. I'll hold her a little bit further back. I don't care if I'm out of sight. It's okay. Okay.
Miss Sammy, come.
Yes. Good job.